You've seen many streamers use background music in their streams, and they don't even have to worry about copyright because they use copyright-free music. You can also add copyright-free background music to your streams for free. So today, I will show you how to add copyright-free background music to your live stream. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss anything. Without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to YouTube Studio. Once you're here, click Audio Library. After that, select the mood of music you want and filter that type. For example, I'm choosing happy. After that, select your genre. Like, I am selecting R&B and soul for my genre. After that, play the tracks from here and choose your favorite ones. Then download them by clicking this download button. I recommend downloading at least 3 to 5 songs so the audience doesn't get bored by the same music over and over again. Once downloaded, follow me on the next step. Go to the Audacity link from the description below and download the software. After that, install it. After installation, open the app. Here, in the File menu, select Open and add the songs that you just downloaded. After that, align them in a single timeline in this manner. When done, click the File option again and click Export Audio, then click Export to Computer, then set the format to MP3 and select the place where you want to save the file. After that, rename and save the file. Then click Export. It will take some time exporting. Now head over to Streamlabs. In the Streamlabs desktop, click Sources and add the media file source. Click Add Source. Here, in the local file, click Browse. Select your playlist file, then tick the loop option and click Close. As you can see, the playlist has been added to our stream. Now let's adjust the sound according to our needs. For that, head over to the Settings and click Properties. Then go to the Media File Properties and set the volume level between 20 to 25. After that, in the Audio Monitoring tab, select the Monitor and Output option. It will let you hear the sound of your playlist so you can adjust it further. Close this menu. Now I will tell you how to add this playlist in other scenes. To do that, head over to the scene you want your playlist to be played in. After that, click Sources and add the media file source again. Here, select the source you added in the other scene and click Add Source. There you go. A background music playlist has been added to your stream. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any further videos. Also check out this detailed tutorial I made about Streamlabs. I'll link it in the description as well. Alright then, see you in the next video.